Hi guys, welcome to KTC Kids Toys and Crafts channel. Today's surprise will take us racing to Adventure Bay with our favorite pups and their vehicles. We have here Marshall of Paw Patrol racers from Nickelodeon, ready for a rough rescue. Marshall is the Paw Patrol's brave Dalmatian fire pup. He is always in action, easily excited, and the clumsy one. His pup house transforms into a fire truck. There is a fire hose at the back of the truck, and the fire badges are clearly painted. This toy vehicle has a very detailed design, just like in the show. We can also see there the Paw Patrol badge. Although we cannot take Marshall out, this toy vehicle has a real working wheels, so we can race him on. Let's try it. Rough, water cannons. Shh, fire's out. Good job, Marshall. So this is Marshall of Paw Patrol racers from Nickelodeon. That's the end of my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please click the thumbs up button below. And for those who have not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below to join us in every exciting and fun video that we have. You can also watch our other videos on the right side of the screen. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye! Hi guys, welcome to KTC Kids Toys and Crafts channel. Today's surprise will take us racing to Adventure Bay with our favorite pups and their vehicles. We have here Marshall of Paw Patrol racers from Nickelodeon, ready for a rough rescue. Marshall is the Paw Patrol's brave Dalmatian fire pup. He is always in action, easily excited, and the clumsy one. His pup house transforms into a fire truck. There is a fire hose at the back of the truck, and the fire badges are clearly painted. This toy vehicle has a very detailed design, just like in the show. We can also see there the Paw Patrol badge. Although we cannot take Marshall out, this toy vehicle has a real working wheels, so we can race him on. Let's try it. Rough, water cannons. Shh, fire's out. Good job, Marshall. So this is Marshall of Paw Patrol racers from Nickelodeon. That's the end of my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please click the thumbs up button below. And for those who have not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below to join us in every exciting and fun video.